Hello everybody. In this presentation I'll install Elmer on a Windows 10 machine. I do it in a normal way using the installer, so I assume that I have rights to do so. So we start from the Elmer FEM community homepage, elmerfem.org, and we choose binaries. We scroll down for Windows. We can choose between SourceForge, which includes maybe a little bit outdated versions, but in nic.funet.fi we have always the nightly builds. So I choose that one. And here we have a number of installers to choose from. I choose one which has the GUI, which does not have the MPI, and it has a suffix .exe, which means that it's an installer. So let's download that, show in folder. Actually, I already did download it, so we can skip a little bit. It would otherwise take maybe 2 minutes. So I double click on this. Do you want to allow the app to unknown publisher to make changes? Yes. Welcome to Elmer setup. I agree. Add Elmer for the current user at least, and we also create a desktop icon. I rather install it on D on this machine. It will take maybe 1 minute. Okay, it's ready now, so we can try it out. Let's try Elmer GUI. I know that I have some appropriate file that I can open. It's here on D, on Elmer Work. I choose this winkle.grd. Open. Seems to work nicely. I solve a simple heat equation on that, so I choose heat equation, apply it to the body. I choose some properties of maybe aluminium, append, sorry, oh, aluminium, okay. Okay. I add some body force for heat equation, that would mean the heat source, and then I still need some boundary conditions, maybe some 0 boundary conditions here, heat equation temperature 0, okay, and then let's apply the boundary conditions, set this, and then I generate the zip file. I save the project. I save it to D, Elmer Work. Let's choose a new name, example 1. Select folder. Start solver. It's finished, and then run Elmer VTK. I choose the surface temperature, apply, okay. So you see it works. So here I have demonstrated how to install Elmer on a Windows 10 machine using the installer, and how to run a simple example on the just installed software. I hope this was useful for you, and I hope you have a wonderful time with Elmer. Thank you.